So sine squared x is equal to 2 cos squared x for x being between 0 and 360. So we've got sine squared x is equal to 2 cos squared x, and x is between 0 and 360. Now when we've got sine x is equal to cos x, or sine squared x is equal to cos squared x, rather than trying to replace this with either 1 minus cos squared x, what we do is we divide both sides by cos squared x. This is a sort of tactic. So that now becomes, this side will become sine squared divided by cos squared, and this side will just become 2, because you're going to have cos squared divided by cos squared, which is 1. Right, then we use the identity that tan x is equal to sine x over cos x, so therefore sine squared x over cos squared x is equal to tan squared x, and it's still equal to 2. Right, in order to solve this now, we now take the square root of both sides. If we now take the square root of both sides, on the left-hand side we're going to get tan x. On this side we're going to get plus or minus root 2. So we need to remember it's plus or minus. Now, ignoring the fact that it's plus or minus, just do tan to the minus 1 of root 2 on your calculator and you'll get 54.7 degrees. Draw your South Asian Tennis Club. Now, because it's plus and minus, the angle has to occur in all 4 quadrants. So draw an angle, each angle with the x-axis, so 54.7, 54.7 degrees, 54.7 degrees, 54.7 degrees. So starting from here, going round anti-clockwise, the first one will be 54.7. For the second one, we now look at this orange one here, so it's going to be 180 minus 54.7. For the third one, we look at this purple one here, which is going to be 180 plus 54.7. And for the final one, we look at this cyan here, so we're going all the way around here. That's going to be 360 minus 54.7. And then if we work those out, we're going to get that x is equal to 54.7 degrees, 125.3 degrees, 234.7 degrees, or 305.3 degrees. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to use the identity tan x is equal to sine x over cos x in order to solve a trig equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.